Hello guys, in this video, we will show you how you can integrate your APIs with chatbot. So to integrate your APIs, like banking APIs, email APIs, email integration through chatbot. What you can do is, first we will select special action type and we click on OK. And then we will delete this keywords and AI. And then again click on special action. So this will be your special action types that we can choose from. And we will choose API call. So for this video I don't have any APIs that we can integrate. But we can integrate API integration details, URL, method type and all the other details you can add here. Then you can click on submit. So that will integrate your APIs, your email integration, your banking integration. Anything you want to integrate through your APIs that will be done by this special action API call. So I hope this clears everything. If you have any doubt, you can ask us through our support.